Alas, the best dreams always end too soon. The little boy is called Ian and he lives with his family on a dairy farm. Ian's biggest wish is to drive a tractor. However, he's forever being told he's still too small. He helps his dad Volker prepare the Axos for the working day ahead. Volker is impressed with how accessible the Axos is. For example, the radiators can easily be swung out and cleaned. With the hood open, all other service points are easily accessible too. But what Volker loves most about the Axos is that it has all the technical capabilities of the big class tractors, up to the 1.32 model. He's delighted with the selection of control units and the layout of the rear-end connections. The Axos has 3 PTO speeds, allowing him to do a lot of work in 540 Eco mode. Volker can run the entire farm with his own machinery, and the operating simplicity of the Axos series means that he can accomplish all these tasks with the help of his family. Ben, Ian's big brother, is 16 and is allowed to drive a tractor. The Axos carries all the implements on the farm without so much as wincing. The sheer lifting power of the Axos means it has lots in reserve and can safely transport even heavy implements. A long wheelbase and good weight distribution ensure a high level of stability and bags of tractive power. No unnecessary front-end ballast is needed. What does Volker like so much about his Axos? The answer is simple. Its reliability and its power. With a constant flow of power and plenty of torque on tap, it performs like a big tractor, only more economically. Volker and Ben make a good team. Ben listens to his father's advice and in this way learns the ins and outs of the farm. He too wants to be a farmer when he's older. The Axos is brilliantly designed down to the smallest detail to keep operation and maintenance as simple as possible. Volker, his wife and their 2 sons are a family business through and through. Ian likes the animals on the farm, but he likes the Axos even better. All the games Ian plays have to do with the tractor, and that makes his mum Anna laugh. The front loader on the Axos makes light work of everyday tasks, such as feeding the animals. Visibility is superb. It handles all loading jobs with ease. The front loader is easy to operate and can be controlled with a high degree of precision. The Axos also makes for an ideal farmyard tractor. It's compactly built and agile. There's no need for any unnecessary maneuvering. With 85 dairy cows and breeding stock, this is, as you can see, a very modern farm. Anna's responsibility is to milk the cows and keep stock, but she too likes to ride around on the Axos. Anna thinks driving the Axos is fun. She likes how easy it is to operate and the fact that everything is where it's supposed to be. The powerful engine and hydraulics often allow field work to be done at a reduced engine speed. Volker and Anna are amazed at how fuel efficient the tractor is. The Axos is a real all-rounder with its wide range of gear ratios and PTO speeds. Anna admits, tongue-in-cheek, that she is also the farm's Chancellor of the Exchequer and figures that the Axos makes good economic sense. Ian, for his part, is chewing at the bit and can't wait until he's old enough to drive the tractor. Ben thinks the Axos is cool, and when he rides the Axos he likes to listen to his favourite music. He particularly likes the modern styling of the Axos. The tractor is designed with great attention to detail, but always in keeping with the principle of form follows function. Every detail of the tractor is not only aesthetic, but also designed for practicality. His Axos is easy to operate and the air-conditioned cab is super. The 8 working headlights turn night into day. Father and son are agreed the Axos was the right decision. Ben operates the rear lifting gear with nothing more than the touch of a button. Using reverse shift and twin shift, he can drive without using the clutch. That's pretty neat. The grass harvest makes good progress. Ian waits, and waits, and waits. Hours later, Volker finally relents, and Ian is happy at last. Ian too has fallen for the Axos. Axos, a real friend.